Hello traders, today is 21st of December 2022. We are heading towards the Christmas holiday, guys. As we progressing towards the Christmas, we can see some challenges in the market. We haven't seen any clear direction, but during this situation we still manage very decent profit today. Let me share with you how I help my traders to squeeze very good profit through live intraday analysis. Let's dig into the system. Let me share with you how we enjoyed pipping today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair, Euro USD and Pound Dollar. Alright, so if you look at the Euro USD chart and if you look at the 4-hour, we still don't see any big moves. We're still waiting to price break the structure. As you can see here, consolidation. Within this consolidation, we were expecting, as you can see here, these 4-hour candles. Today we haven't seen any big moves, so we only have last big moves at the New York session. That was the pretty short trade here. The safest way, as always, to explain to my trader, let the market break and retest, give us the confirmation, then we're going to take a trade here. So you can see here we had only one trade, one analysis. You can see here that was because we were waiting for the market to break and retest. As you can see here, price developed many false breakout, but as I explained to my trader, don't look at this false breakout trap. Let the market break and retest. So based on this analysis, as you can see here, live market even now, let me explain to you guys. Here you can see here, price nicely respected this level. As you can see here, price respected here, but also respected here. Price broken, as you can see here, price broken and retest. Give us this confirmation. That was the pretty straightforward short trade here. And the reason why I did this analysis, because I explained to my trader, look here, we have this false breakout, we have this false breakout. Let's see here, the market was between this structure. As you can see here, as explained to my trader, let the market break this one or retest, or market break and retest, give us the confirmation, then we're looking at trade here. So you can see here, based on this analysis, price nicely broken downside and retest, momentum was bearish, and that was a beautiful short trade here. As soon as the price hit this level, as you can see here, explain my trader, tighten your stop loss at the break even, or consider banking, because we had a consolidation market. As you can see here, as explained to my trader, as soon as the price hit this support level, as you can see here, and that's what I explained my trader, it's time to consider tightening your stop loss. So that was the only one trade we had it, but we had amazing trade on pound dollar and the dollar yen. Let me explain to you the dollar yen as well, but let's go first on pound dollar. So pound dollar, we had it, if you look at here, even the pound dollar in 4-hour chart, we can see here sort of consolidation. So we were expecting this breakout. As explained to my trader, when the market was here, we're looking at counter long trade here. Basically is a range opportunity, but within the range in 4-hour, how we analyze market in intraday and squeeze amazing profit. Now, as you can see here, at this stage, price nicely broken. Most of the trader, they were expecting price might gonna break upstate, but I said to my trader, we're going to trade what we see it in intraday. Let me share with you a beautiful analysis. Being an intraday, we always look for the opportunity, but all these opportunity 100% based on the price action, based on the 4-hour price structure. Okay, so if you look at here this morning, let me explain to you. Okay, so this is the morning. As you can see here, London morning, just before London open, 7:43, and that's what I explained to my trader. This is the level we are expecting. If the price gonna break, that's the safest way to look this level. Otherwise, within this, pull back long, otherwise break short here. And you can see here, the price nicely could not develop a pullback here. Price nicely broken after this breakout. As you can see here, that's the level we were expecting a breakout. Safest way, price nicely broken. The safest way is every time when the price break and retest, give us the confirmation. As you can see afterwards, beautiful short trade here. That was a short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level in 4-hour, and that's what I explained my traders, time to enjoy some profit, and let's wait for price develop another pattern. So you can see here, price impulsively reverse, but as explained to my trader, 4-hour, we are expecting possibility of reversal. So the safest way, as explained, we have another beautiful counter long trade here. as soon as the price hit to the profit target, and that's what I explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. After banking some profit, I say guys, let's wait. As you can see here, price impulsively reverse, and that's again, I said to guys, this is the point of interest. Let's see if we can get a green candle pullback, otherwise breakout short trade here. As you can see here, price nicely hit to the profit target, bank some profit, and I said to guys, let's wait, because if you look at this level, which is a previously, and that's what I explained my traders time to bank some profit. And let's say if the market is gonna break this structure, and which I, after banking some profit, as you can see here, I updated that analysis instantly and said let's wait for that. But if you look at here, price develop inverted head and shoulder pattern. We have 4 hour, we were expecting price might gonna shoot up, so we had this breakout, and as always you can see it, that's the low. As soon as the price hit this level, and explain my trader tightening your stop loss, move your stop loss at the break even, or bank some profit, banking few pp's. Afterwards we were expecting another pullback, but what happened here, as you can see here, the price impulsively reverse. The sign for us is, if you look at here, price develop a false breakout, and price did not develop any pullback. And as soon as explained my trader, let the market break the structure. If it's gonna break, then we're looking here. If you look at the momentum was bearish, price nicely broken, and the target was around this level, which if you look at here 4 hour chart, we had a price nicely hit to the profit target. That's what explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. As you can see guys, how we analyze the market in 4 hour, how we refine the entries and exit in intraday, and helping our traders to bank amazing profit every single day. Right, so dollar CAD, we had a consolidation, but within the consolidation, how we manage, if you look at the 4 hour chart, we don't see any clear direction. And if you look ahead, the price is still respecting the support level. As you can see here, price could not break on this support level. We have another pattern is developed, so we're looking this breakout. But if you look at here, we have another pattern. So within this pattern, we squeeze only few pp's, but all these trades are based on the price action. So let me share with you guys. So only few small trade. You can see that was a pretty straightforward breakout, which we came out at the break even, as you can see here. And after that, once the price develop another pattern, we have another short trade here, and we pretty straightforward explain my trade. You can see here head and shoulder pattern breakout, which we came out at the break even. And as system trader now, let's see here if we can get another pullback short trade here, and that was probably going to be high probability trade. We were waiting for the news. As you can see here, pretty straightforward as mentioned here in the analysis. We had this beautiful short trade here, but as soon as the price hit to the support level, as explained my trade, it's time to enjoy some profit. And afterward, as explained my trader, now the price is consolidation. Let's leave it, let's call for the day, and we'll see tomorrow. All right, let me share with you the pound, dollar, yen, and all the yen pair. We had amazing trade guide, but let me share with you the pound, dollar, yen. If you look at dollar yen, we've been short from yesterday and this morning. If you look at the 4 hour chart, we had this morning the price respected, so we had this short trade here, and after that we also had a long trade here, short trade here, and long trade here. Let me explain to you how I analyze the intraday. That was the interesting part of it. So if you look at here, we had amazing trade on all the yen pair. Most of the trades bank 100 plus pips, especially on the yen pairs. All right, so if you look at this morning, let me explain to you this morning, pretty straightforward. As if you look at here, the price was at the support level, resistance. Yeah, this is the resistance level, and the price nicely broken this support. After the breakout, price retest, beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, bank some profit. After banking some profit, I say guys, let the market wait for another structure. As you can see here, price nicely broken this previous high. After that, we have this beautiful pullback. You can see a breakout long trade here. As soon as the price hit again the previous high, as explained to my traders, time to enjoy some profit. And let's see if we can get another correction, or let's sort of, one more push. That's what we're expecting it. But as that's what I did another analysis, and that's what I explained to my trader. Look here, if the price gonna break this level, then long here. You can see here, that's what we were looking at that time. You can see here, but if the price break this previous low, and after the breakout price retest, then look for a short trade here. As you can see here, price broken. After the breakout, price retest and bank some profit. After banking some profit, you can see here previous high broken, and that was the target, bank some profit. From here we were expecting a counter, but we need a valid technical entry. That's what I did. Another analysis, as you can see, a pretty straightforward. Once the price developed low high and price nicely broke on this level, beautiful long trade. As soon as the price hit to the previous high again in 4 hour, that's what explained my traders time to enjoy some profit and call for the day. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis, but as always mentioned to you guys, you should be watching those analysis in real time. That's the most interesting part of it, and banking profit, that's the more enjoyable part. Or if you are still struggling for trading, this is a platform where you can develop your trading skill with a live market instantly in real time. And once you develop your trading skill, there's opportunities to get funded, and we'll help you how to trade funded account. For more information, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is given in the video description. Guys, most welcome. Join our fast growing today community. Have a nice evening, guys. Stay blessed. Until next time, guys, all the best.